What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. My name is Brandon Lechuga. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. So today we're going to be putting some lights in the Toyota 4Runner to make it look like a TRD Pro. Here's the kit. Pretty nifty little kit. And then I'm just going to show you how to get access to everything so you know what to do. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to have to pop your hood, and that's located on the driver's side by your feet on the left when you're facing the wheel. And pop the hood. The little latch is right here to get it up. Luckily, it's got all the hinges, just like every other 4Runner, and the hood goes up. So the next thing you're gonna do is gonna have to pop out these grommets. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There might be more. 1, 13, yeah, 13 of them. So these are actually really cool. I love this new concept by Toyota. These are great because I'm going to show you how to remove these. So it's really cool. You just kind of push the center in, and it'll make a little noise, as you heard, and then they just come out. Really cool, and that's it. So when you put them back in, you're going to push everything back through. Sorry, trying to do this with one hand. Push them back through like that. And you just put them like every other clip, and then they're in. That's it. Super cool, really nice, unique design. Makes it super easy for removing plastic parts. So, as you can see, I have all mine already pre-removed. So I'm just gonna lift this up really quick, and I'm gonna carry it over here. It's nice. It's got a little tray to hold all my clips, and we're good. So, now you're gonna have access to everything that you need to get your hands in and feed all the wires over to your fuse box. So onto the lights. Like I said, here's the lights. So as you can see, one of these is smaller, and that's gonna go closer to the Toyota logo, and the other one is gonna go on the outside. I have this side doesn't have any lights. This is what it looks like. And this side, I already have 2 lights installed, as you can see. So it's really cool, really easy to install. I'll show you. So you have a tab on both sides that kind of just clip in. So this is the shorter one. This is gonna go on this side, and you kind of just go left to right and then push in the clip as you go. So I'm gonna compress it a little bit and then push it in, and we are in. That's it. As you can see, these ones aren't pushed in fully yet. So I'm just gonna push them in a little bit to make sure they're nice and flush. And as you can see, nice and flush. So that's really it. Really nice, really easy design. Try to flip it around so you can see the inside. As you can see, there's the little tabs right here and right here. So if you want to get them out, all you would do is press those tabs in and you'd be good to go. So that being said, make sure it's nice and flush again. As you can see, it's all flush at the bottom. And then I'm just gonna put in the next one. So then we'll look at the wire kit in a second once I get this one put in. All right, so here we are. The lights are installed, as we saw last time. And I'm taping up the connectors, and this is why. This one came broke. So these just kind of plug in really easy. And as you can see, even trying to get it off is kind of difficult. But it will unpop like that. So I'm gonna tape over that, and that's what I did here. So I'm just taping it to make sure, 1, no water gets into it, and 2, again, the clips came in kind of broke, so they just plug in. Really super simple, really super easy if you have 2 hands. So I'll plug that back in, but I'm taping them up, so I'll tape that one up. That's what the clip looks like. So you kind of just press up and then it'll disconnect, and then it just clips in. So I ran my wires down and across. I went under, went down and over, and plugged it in. So let's go over where I plugged it in. I plugged it into the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th fuse. Maybe even the 6th. I think it's the 6th. Yes. So 6th fuse. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. 5th fuse. Right in between the 10 and the 20 amp fuse. So replaced it with this, plugged it in, and we're gonna test it out. So this should make it to where it's on 24/7 once the car comes on. So as you can see, it's off, car's on. Oh, excuse me. I'm gonna turn off the headlights and you can kind of see the amber lights coming through. One of them is gonna be off right now, so I didn't plug it back in all the way. And let me plug it in really quick. Let me try to set you here. Sorry about that. Set you down so I can plug this in so you can see all of them. And it's plugged in. So, like I said, that's why I'm gonna tape them just so they don't disconnect. And it looks pretty good. So here's what it looks like with the hood kind of down. I'm not gonna close it completely. That's kind of what it looks like. So, yeah, it was pretty easy, pretty simple install. Honestly, should only take like 20-30 minutes at most, especially if you haven't done it before. I did tape up this so it doesn't touch anything ground wise or anything. It does come with the little sleeves, but it wasn't working very well, so put the sleeve over it, taped it, just extra, you know, security, insurance, making sure it doesn't hit any grounds or anything and cause any issues. And again, taping these to make sure no water gets in them and the plastic doesn't break. Like this one broke pretty quick, pretty easy. I don't blame the seller. It's not the seller's fault. Stuff like that just kind of happens sometimes. So yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful. Again, this is a really quick install, really easy thing to do, and then it takes absolutely no time to do it. So yeah, thank you for watching 303 Streets. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're looking for these specific lights, click the link in the description of the video and it will pop up and you can just click it and then install them yourself. I would highly recommend these if you're trying to look for these because it's super simple, super easy to do, but you have to make sure that you have this exact grill, which this is the TRD Sport. So if you have a TRD Sport, these lights should work in your grill. But again, if you don't ever want them on, or if you want to wire them up to when your headlights come on, that's super simple and easy to do. All you have to do is tap into the wires right there and it will go to your headlights. So I would get a little clip attachment. I'll put those clip attachments that I would use in the link of the video. Again, you would do one to the power, one to the ground where we grounded it, and make it super easy. And then when your lights come on, those will come on. So it's a really easy thing to do. But yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you for watching 303 Streets.